Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to take a look at how we can unleash the power of AI and ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you will learn to predict the missing values in your data. So one of the key tasks in our data analysis project is how do we fill in missing values, and prediction of the missing values can be achieved using AI. So we'll take a look at that in this example. We'll also take a look at how we can extract valuable features. Or feature extraction is one of the key tasks in any data science or data analysis project. How we can extract features from our data using AI, how we can use AI to automate the generation of our data set, and also how we can use AI to format or structure our data. But before we see these use cases, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analysis in Excel, Power BI, Power Query, and Python. So let's dive right into it. For this example, I'm going to be using a plugin. So for that, we first need to add the plugin. So let's go to the add-in section. Click on that, click on more add-ins. And here you need to search on ChatGPT. Search for ChatGPT, hit enter, and you can select this plugin ChatGPT for Excel. For this demo, I'm going to be using the free version of this plugin so that everyone can try this and follow along with me. So let's take a look at the first use case. Say I have some data in a table. It has 3 columns: car name, manufacturing company, and mileage, and I have some values for each column: Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and the manufacturing companies and their mileage. And you can see I have the other data for the car name, but I do not have the values for the manufacturing company and mileage. This is what we term as missing values. And there are different techniques used to fill these missing values for data analysis. But in this video, let's take a look at how we can use AI to fill the missing values for us. So I have 2 variables. You can see one is a categorical variable and one is a numerical variable. So let's see how I can use AI to predict and help me fill in these missing values. So I'm going to click on the column, on the cell here, hit equal to, write AI, and go to say fill. Inside this, what I want to fill, I'm going to give the example of the data. So the sample data is here. I'm going to select the sample data. I hit comma, and then I select the data which I want to fill. So I'm going to select this data below. Very simple. Hit the close bracket and hit on enter. Now the AI is predicting. And you can see it has filled the data very nicely. It has given the mileage also prediction and the manufacturing company. So it has filled both the numerical and the categorical data, and you can see how easy this is to fill in your missing values. Now let's take a look at use case number 2. Say I have some data, but I want to extract valuable features from this. This is text data, but I cannot do data analysis on this data. For this, I will need to have some categorical and numerical fields. I need to know the numbers of gears and horsepowers in numerical fields, else I cannot do any data analysis on this data. So let's see how I can accomplish this task using AI. Say I want to extract the AI from this data. So I'm going to create a column called gears. I want to extract the gears from the data. So I hit equal to, say AI. This time I'm going to use extract. I'm going to select the columns from which I want to extract the data. And here I'm going to select what I want to extract. So that is gears. So I select this cell and hit enter. And you can see the AI is working in the background, and it has beautifully filled this column for me. So I've extracted a column from this text data. Let's try this for another column. So we can see how we can add 2 features. So I'll select horsepower now. Hit equal to, hit AI dot extract again. And just see how easy this is. Again, select the column which I want to do. Click on comma and select this cell. And just like that, we have 2 columns ready for us, so I can prepare my data set or I can extract columns from any data. Let's take a look at the third use case. Say I want to generate a data set or automate the generation of the data set. So I know my data set should contain these variables: car name, make, year manufacture, and top speed. Say if I need more data to augment my existing data set. This is very useful if I need to add more data to increase the value of my existing data set. How do I do? So I have these columns. So I want the list of the top 10 fastest race cars in the world. So I'm going to hit on equal to here, click on AI, and this time I'm going to say table. So I'm going to give it the prompt, that is this one, list of the top 10 fast cars in the world. Click on comma, and I'm going to select the headers because I want the data in this format. Click on close, hit on enter, and the AI is working in the background, and beautifully it has generated the data set for me. You can see I can directly use the data either for data analysis or to augment or append my existing data set. And lastly, let's take a look at the use case where I have data and I want to structure or format this data. Say I want to format this data, and for each country I want to know what is the appropriate currency. So I can hit on equal to again, hit on AI, and I can click on format, and I'm just going to select this column, close this, and sorry, I'm going to give what I want, which format. So I say ISO currency, I want the currency information, so I can easily categorize this data. I'm going to close the quote here and hit enter, and there we are done. It has given me the currency for each country. So here you can see how beautifully we have used AI, which uses ChatGPT in the background to augment our data analysis skills in Excel and really help us augment our existing data and do beautiful data analysis tasks in Excel. Or at least it will help you boost the productivity or the speed at which you do your data analysis. If you like this video, do not forget to leave a like at this video and leave a comment on any other video you want me to make. I do make videos frequently on data analysis topics in Power BI, Power Query, Excel, and Python. So stay tuned to my channel and leave a like and a comment on my video. Thanks for watching.